Hi guys, I'm from Brick Music Films, bhuvxn.m. You guys might not know me, but I'm actually a custom-made bad guy. I'll show you how to make me, and it's gonna be really quick. If you're looking for a longer video, just go all the way to the end of this video. Anyway, I'll show you how to make me. First, you get the parts, then you get my legs, which are bad guys' legs by the way. You get a body, you get a bad guy head, and get hair or anything you want to put on the bad guy's head. And voila! If you want to see the best video, click on the top left corner. If you want to see my other videos, click the playlist underneath there. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on the circle next to it. Okay guys, bye for now.